Welcome to Ropley Station! Hello, my name's Martin Hughes. I'm a lecturer at Solent University. The students are here today. They've come to work with the Midhants Railway and make films for them as a client. The university has been working with the Watercress Line now for 8 years. It benefits them massively and it benefits us massively. The production of these videos massively benefits the students in terms of their self-development. It's practice in the real world at making videos to a client's specification. The students learn a whole host of skills by coming here. They learn pre-production planning and project management skills, how to shoot a video, interviews, and the post-production experience. So they have to edit it and work to feedback with the client.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Joe.
And we are recording the volunteers to make people want to come and volunteer at the railway.
I'd say I definitely improved in the skills of interviewing people, also how to use the equipment.
I definitely got better at being in front of the camera, knowing what to do. And we both know how to do a lot of pre-production now because we worked effortlessly and tirelessly in pre-production to get it ready for today's shoot. It was quite fun to see all of the other students filming today, so it felt like many mini film crews, and it actually felt quite surreal. It feels like a film set. Felt like we're getting closer and closer to working in the actual industry, which felt really fun and really nice.
Hi, my name is Conor McMahon and I am here today to film the history of the old railways as well as talk about the 80150 project. I think my favourite part of working with the railway probably is the general atmosphere of the whole thing, because everywhere just seems busy, but it's in a fun way. It just seems that you're always up and about, you're never in one place at one time. You're always here, there and everywhere doing whatever you can to get as much footage, get everything done.
I'm Raymond Bristol and I run the miniature railway. I had a general interest in railways and I first started on one of the big diesel engines, and then it was a natural progression to come over here. They needed people to run the miniature railway, so a group of us transferred over here to help out. We've got a good crowd here, it's very sociable. I'd say it's mostly families with young children. You see the big steam engines, they make a lot of noise and you can go out frightening, where this is more in keeping, more in scale with their physical size. So in the future we hope to extend the miniature railway into the next field and put a balloon loop in there, and we also want to modify the station here to have run round facilities and a turntable. So if you are going to transfer to the main line, it's a good starting point.
I'm Dan, I'm the Education and Outreach Coordinator for the Watercress Line. Yeah, it was fantastic to meet all the students and staff from the university. My first impressions were everybody's very creative, got lots of ideas, buzzing with enthusiasm, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what everybody makes.